We drove 9 hours for I don't really know what.
Cherry blossoms that weren't there.
Yeah, pretty much.
They were on the ground.
Went to DC. Initially wanted to go to see the cherry blossoms. Didn't really work out. There were also way too many people. It just like overall was just really overwhelming and underwhelming. I don't really know what we're doing. We have absolutely no plan. And
there's a trail behind us.
We're actually parked at a police station right now, and it's just like weird vibes, but there's a trail behind us. We're gonna go on the trail. I don't really know what we're doing. We're just kind of pulling off on the side of the road and seeing what we're
going
find.
Wherever our heart takes us.
Yes.
Oh.
Wow, don't have this back home. Leaves on the tree. It's like so nice seeing greenery finally. I feel like I need to spend like at least 10 minutes a day just laying in the grass, you know? There she goes. There she goes again. Okay, I'm like sweating, man. I did not dress properly for this. We had no idea what we were doing, so don't judge our outfits, please. Okay, yeah. It's so hot. I'm like not used to it. It's kind of crazy. And here we have Annie as Gandalf. I'm just kidding. Or a famous baseball player. I don't really know what she's doing. And now she's an old woman.
There's a lot of things that you can do with a stick.
But that's a good one. That's a good stick.
You can also use it as like a baton.
Yeah. Or a weapon.
I shouldn't be using this near the police station.
I didn't really like spend that much money on this, so it was kind of cool. Sweet potato chips, lemon poppy muffins. I love seaweed snacks. And this energy drink. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this, but I need food.
Sonoma chicken.
Whatever that is.
Sonoma chicken salad with the grapes in it. I like these.
Oh!
Ew. Me eating.
It's like a makeup routine. See my hand behind it? It's too small for this. Yeah,
okay,
so
I have to put this up. Go ahead.
We were gonna go to like that waterfall, but it was just closed off. I think there were too many people because it's a Saturday. But now we're gonna find a waterfall somewhere else. I don't know where. But kind of make our way out of Virginia area.
Are you done? Oh, it smells good. There's freeze-dried strawberries in it. Doesn't it smell good?
Oh, wait. She's like, just put a bag over your head.
I thought
because I'm ugly. We don't even know where we are right now. It's amazing.
We're in Virginia somewhere.
We just kind of drove and found a vineyard.
Me getting the bug out of my...
Oh my god.
He's dead. I'm so sorry. He's drunk. Are you getting that in the picture?
It was way too sunny over there, so got some sunglasses and moved over here. I kind of want to like chug this and see if I can chug it. Can't do it.
Go on.
I did it. I have like one left, but I'm not gonna chug this. Chugging that, like, I was gonna start feeling a little something, and now I feel a little something. Hey.
I'm trying to take her picture, and she's just fucking vlogging. And... Come on, leave me breathless.
This was a good idea.
What the fuck is wrong with us?